attention into refactoring this and containerizing this. Yeah, so probably entirely getting rid of an OpenStack or vSphere is probably not an option. But for your Kubernetes estate and for the forward-looking pieces of your infrastructure, I think there's a very clear path towards, okay, my applications run in containers. Can't we spin up a Kubernetes cluster with bare metal machines and then have Kubernetes kind of form this cluster around it, schedule workloads on this cluster, and have the scheduler really do its job? And the question really is, when you have these big nodes, these heavy nodes that you don't split up in VMs, how do you segregate things at the node level? And there's a couple of technologies out there that have been around for a few years who attempt to isolate containers more strongly. Cutter containers comes to mind, which is micro VMs again. So you're unfortunately back on the VM track, despite trying to look for alternatives. At least you're talking about like very lightweight Kubernetes native type VMs here. But then you're also looking at other solutions. User namespaces is a great technology. And you can look at gvisor. They do second filtering to make containers more secure. And obviously, we launched vNode, just recently at KubeCon EU in London. And with vNode, we're really combining the benefits of user namespaces and forming a sandbox environment out of a container that runs in a user namespace, and then launch your workload inside of that sandbox.